That ain't gonna last a year, is it? We've now got 3 that sound the same. Just shy of 10:57. Saturday the 6th of December 2025 for the 10:58 Northern train service from Leeds. Hello, you. Boring Northern one for like. Yeah.
Bigger.
So you bought a massive fucking torch out with you at the same time. Fucking hell. Yeah.
I also did, you can't see it now, but I did mark it with 70/020
Well, it's better than cutting a hole in it with a fucking knife like Zanga. He's an idiot. We knew that already. Yeah.
Diesel grease on our
Nicking the rocks from the tracks. Oh yeah. Old ScotRail unit.
What do you mean?
I think 870. Leeds.